Kiddo's Kingdom.
Hey kids, let's play a fun game. Can you find the number 5 and draw a circle around it? Here are the numbers. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Hope kids you enjoyed it. See you next time.